Okay, so this is the solo.
This will be the solo for us.
Then I said, see.
Be nice, guys.
Stop, please.
Okay, let's dive on.
Boom, there
Wait.
he is.
Those are corkscrews because it makes the corkscrew. Yes. Yes. Roger, do you want to switch places with me? I'll
Sure.
try to nurse them over there. Oh, I'm shrinking the thing. Sorry.
Is this going down?
Look, it's getting smaller.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Don't kick.
Wait, where did it go?
Into the grass, in the trees, didn't you? There he is. Sorry if I'm hitting you. You're
Wait,
good.
where did
You're
it
good. Flap comes off too. That might give you a little more shade. All right.
Oh, we're good.
Wow, he's super low. Look at that. What happened?
Hey, that is too loud.
What's wrong? He's hurt. I don't know what happened.
Face plant on your shoe.
He might have face planted on the water bottle.
Do you see that?
Whoa, that is big.